HLH has years of experience manufacturing production tooling. HLH are the go-to manufacturer for production tooling for many customers in many industries. Here we are in HLH's SLA 3D printing department. SLA is fantastic for high accuracy, highly detailed models and parts. Hi, here we are in HLH's mass production injection molding facility. We utilize automation and robotic arms to standardize and speed up the process. All parts are then visually checked as they come off the machine before undergoing a final QC stage. Here we are in HLH's sheet metal processing department. At HLH, we have the full range of processes from bending, stamping, pressing, and laser cutting. Welcome to HLH's 3D metal SLM department. Here we make highly accurate, very complex, high tolerance parts out of a range of different materials. We have steels, aluminiums, and titaniums. The parts can all be post-process finished. Hello and welcome to our SLS 3D printing area. SLS is a great process for strong, functional parts made without the need for support. Our machines can print 350 by 350 by 420 millimeters with a general tolerance of around 200 microns. Here we are in the FDM department. FDM is a quick and versatile process for manufacturing parts and prototypes. It's fantastic for prototypes, for jigs, fixtures, for models, and even for production parts. Hi, welcome to HLH's vacuum casting department. Vacuum casting is great for low volume production. It's also great, like I say, for making flexible parts or for overmolds. Here we are in one of HLH's many QC zones. In this department, we're using CMMs or coordinate measuring machines to ensure that we deliver accurate parts to specification. At HLH, QC and quality is at the core of everything we do. Here we are in HLH's rapid injection mold tooling department. Here we manufacture rapid injection mold tools. HLH manufactures injection mold tooling in rapid lead times, turning around molds in as little as a week. Here we are in HLH's die casting facility. We've got our own tool shop for manufacturing the molds and can cast parts in aluminium, zincs and magnesiums. Here we are in our precision turning department. At HLH, our precision lathes can machine very small parts up to parts of 500 millimeter in diameter. Today we're going to take a look at our world-beating 5-axis CNC machining department. Here we've got over 10 machines capable of machining massive parts up to 2 meters in length. 5-axis CNC machining allows us to machine incredibly complex geometries. At HLH, CNC machining is one of our core services, and this department is dedicated to the machining of plastic components and prototypes. CNC machining is great for engineering parts, for production parts. It's also great for manufacturing one-off prototypes and aesthetic models. Here we are in HLH's carbon fiber parts manufacturing facility. Carbon fiber is quite a complex process, and each individual part needs to be laid up by hand. Here we are in the gravity casting facility. Gravity casting is one of the world's oldest manufacturing processes, but it's also still widely used. We cast parts in a range of aluminium materials. It's really good for medium-sized parts and for very large parts. Here we can see HLH's hybrid mill turning capability. These machines combine milling and turning in one setup. These are incredibly complex machines capable of machining very complex geometries. And here we are in our metal CNC machining department. Here we've got machines with 3, 4 and 5 axis. We machine a massive range of materials, steels, aluminiums, coppers, titanium. And here we are in HLH's forging facility. So forging is a process that uses aluminium materials to produce accurate and high strength components. Hi, here we are in one of HLH's many post-process finishing departments. The post-process finishing gives your parts the look, texture and feel that you need for the function or aesthetic purposes. We're just going to take a quick look at how we package and ship your parts here at HLH. So we use lots of different things like custom foam, we have lots of cushioning, we have plastic trays for individual parts, we use reinforced wooden crates like these. HLH, we make things for you.